North CS Galaxy 6 Orlando Pirates sanibona bafethu uvanele so namhlanje kuzokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ele game ade siyibuka namhlanje bafethu kade kuyi game emnandi indlela eyisimanga angeke ngisho ukuthi ade khona ama negatives kule game le because kule game le Orlando Pirates idlale kamnandi indlela eyisimanga bakhombisile ukuthi uma i-team isebenzisa amathuba kumele kwenziwe njani. Uma usebenzisa amathuba akho uwina ngescore esikhulu kule game esiphuma kuyona kwakumele siwasebenzise amathuba ukuze siwine le game le ngamagoli amaningi. Nako ke kule game lesiyodlala neTS Galaxy i-team ihambile ya ku drawing board yasho ukuthi okay silekha la nala mase sifixe la nala maningi ama game sisazowawina ngescore esikhulu. Nako ke namhlanje bajida bebuya bekora amagoli amaningi amagoli awu6. So ngizokhuluma nje ngendlela Orlando Pirates la edlale ngakhona ngizoqala nje ngeapproach yabo njengenjawayelo ke ngiyathanda ukuqala ngeapproach indlela ucoach iapproach ngakhona le game le. Remember ke TS Galaxy bengasiyo i-team elula. So ukwi-approach kwethu ke le game le besicautious kakhulu. Si-approach ngobani na nguChain, uSibelebele, uSiyema, uSibisi, uDion Hot mase kuba uMbatha, uNemtajela, uMoremi mase kuba uDiyong, uMfukeng mase kuba uMbuthuma up front. Yabo. So kule game le bafethu sithe nje aseke siqalise i-8-8. uMakhleni Makaula simhlalise ebenchini namhlanje saqalisa ba uMbatha with uNemtajela. Yabo. Kwase kwathi ke uDiyong samdlalisa as unumber 10. Mase saba nama inverted wingers okumfukeng benobani benoTsepang Moremi. Abajida namhlanje bebekwa ukuthi ba drift inside bakwazi basebenze kahle with midfield yethu. Ba add more numbers eswini because mubonile kwi game namhlanje besinga overload kakhulu kuma winger besisebenza kakhulu more central kule game namhlanje. Okuyiyona into engiyithande kakhulu ngeOrlando Pirates namhlanje because bakwazi ukuthi badlalisane naye umjida bani uDiyong namhlanje bakwazi ukuthi badlalisane naye umjida ba create ama chances for ama forwards. Yabo it's a pity ke ukuthi umjida akalitholanga igoli but ke engakusho yabona leya red card leya yabona leya red card etholwe iTS Galaxy igame isaqala. Yabo mhlawumbe umunye umuntu bengasho ukuthi ibihashi kakhulu urefi ubehashi but ke uma sibuyelana eqinisweni ukube lo mdlali wakaMwisanga bafethu uTsepang Moremi bekuzoba igoli liyana ukube akaMwisanga uTsepang Moremi bekuzoba igoli. So a red card, it was a correct decision from the referee and lela goli ke liqhamukile from that free kick eqesha uMfukeng. It was one of the best goals esengawabona kule season so far. Yabo akhona ke amanye amagoli asekakorwa but ke leya yabo mhlawumbe ungalibeka phezulu with igoli la Dansinde lalikora against iMamelodi Sundowns. uMfukeng bafethu uphakamisile kakhulu namhlanje a hat-trick from umjida proves ukuthi umjida ngempela is one of those guys okumele bayithole le award etholwa abadlali abavelele ku Betway Premiership so far. Wena ngokwakho ungangitshela ama comments, do you think uMfukeng uyayideserve yini iPSL best player of the season? Yebo mhlambe ke phela sengaba khona lezo zinto lezo ke lawo ma politics lawo umjida azomenza ngayiwini but ke ngokwami I feel like umjida uyayideserve ukuyiwina le award le. Mase siza ke egamini namhlanje Orlando Pirates mina ngokubona kwami leya red card leyana ayi-exposanga kakhulu Orlando Pirates because ngokwami I know it is Galaxy, it is one of the toughest teams yabo ongadlala nayo. I feel like yenze iphutha iTS Galaxy ukuthi ithathe le game iyisele eMbombela Stadium because once you take Orlando Pirates to a more open field ilapho khona Orlando Pirates izokwazi khona ukuthi idlale ibhola elijwayele. Namhlanje siyibonile Orlando Pirates idlala ibhola elijwayele bikwa ukuthi inwebe kahle idefense yayo iTS Galaxy like I said bafethu kwi match preview ngasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates mayasisebenzise ispace behind the defense yayo iTS Galaxy lapho khona sizokwazi ke sikore kahle against iTS Galaxy. If you saw some of the goals siwabonile namhlanje bafethu igoli alikorile uSibelebele beliqhamuka khona kwiside langalika right si exposile idefense waselikora ke igoli uSibelebele igoli elihle kakhulu. And le game le ngokwami iyalivuselele ithemba for Orlando Pirates ukuthi ithathe ileague. Yabo iyalivuselele ithemba ngisho ngani na ngoba uma iqhubeka kanje Orlando Pirates idlala kahle iskora amagoli iwina ama games ilapho khona ezoba sethubeni eliningi kakhulu lokuthi liyithathe ileague ngoba na uma iSundowns meke yaqhuzuka kanye remember igoal difference iyasebenza igoal difference ngesadlala nayo iMamelodi Sundowns njengoba singesadlala nayo basazodlala neTS Galaxy mhlawumbe bazodlala la noma badlale Solomon Mahlangu noma mhlawumbe basayodlala neKaizer Chiefs. I know basayodlala neSteelers. Yabo, so ama games anzima lawo for iMamelodi Sundowns. I'm not saying Orlando Pirates yona ke izidlala ama games anzima. Yes, isakhona iKaizer Chiefs, but ke ngiyazi iKaizer Chiefs neOrlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates ihlezi ama favorites uthi iwina leyo game. Nathi sisazodlala naseSteelers, sesishayile TS Galaxy. Yabo, so nathi ama games asisalela kusiwona ama games alula, but ke when you look at iside leMamelodi Sundowns, remember iSundowns isazodlala kwiCAF Champions League. Yabo, I know bazodlulela kumanqambu azayo odlala kuma semi-final. I know kule game abayidlala namhlanje bazoyiwina. So iSundowns isazodlalelwa iChampions League. Yabo, nje isazodlalela iChampions League. Orlando Pirates lama games asele kumele yenze sure ukuthi iyawawina lama games lawo ngamagoli aphezulu, because if they let Mamelodi Sundowns idlale kahle ithathe ileague neChampions League ngeke kube mnandi kakhulu. Yabo, so mina ngokwami nje kule game namhlanje I'm very impressed, and I would like to thank management. I'd like to thank not the management per se, but the technical team. I would like to thank the technical team to listen to the fans. Yabo, ngiyayithanda into abayenza ukuthi bayalalela kuma fans. Yabo, I heard the coach speaking lapha nabafethu enxusa ama fans ukuthi without the fans asiyilutho as a team. Without the fans Orlando Pirates ayilutho. Yabo, ukukhalaza kwethu, izikhalazo zethu zikubonakalile namhlanje ukuthi siyasebenza ngempela. The team listened. You heard umfuking ukuthi lento abayenza ukuthi baloku beqhubeka bewine kanje abezenzeli bona as the players. They are doing it for the best. They are doing it for the fans, because they know ukuthi Orlando Pirates bayifica iteam kanjani and bafuna ukuyishiya iteam kanjani. Yabo, they bafuna ukuba nabo ku records, bafuna ukwenza history with this Orlando Pirates team. Yabo, so bona as players bayawazi umsebenzi wabo, namhlanje bakhombisile ukuthi ke umsebenzi akumele bawenze imuphi. Yabo, yona ke into esifunayo le each and every game. Yabo, I know each and every game ke kuwa win wonke, but ke use the opportunities you get. Namhlanje we saw the players scoring, but ke omunye umuntu angasho ukuthi why are these players scoring? Siphi striker, sikuphi striker labadlala bakorile, asiscoranga strike. That is actually a conversation for another day. Yabo, abajide bakore bonke namhlanje, but ke we didn't see uMbuthuma scoring, but ke uMbuthuma ube nama chances amahle kakhulu kule game namhlanje. Kwala kona ukuthi ugoalkeeper ube wavimba, simbonile shaya uqethu bafethu first half, simbonile lithola futhi ithuba lela bhola elihamba phansi ugoalkeeper walivimba lapho maphandle. Umjida ube nawo amathuba namhlanje, but ke it's a pity that ugoalkeeper weTS Galaxy when it comes to uMbuthuma umjida wemvimbela, but ke some other instances umjida kakhulu. Yabo, kwigame namhlanje umjida udlalile ngokwami, udlalile even though akakoranga, but ke let's hope usazowathola amathuba ascore more goals. Bafethu mina ngokwami I'm very impressed with the results today. Yabo, some people may say it's just TS Galaxy, but ke TS Galaxy kwazile ukuthi ke iguqise enye team ngo-2-0. Yabo, TS Galaxy yakwazi ishaya amanye ama team. Sisazoqhubeka, sisazoya phambili, siyodlala manje, siyodlala ama games elandelayo. I know siyodlala against Richards Bay, siyodlala le eMhlathuze. Leyo game le ngeke izibe lula, but ke with this team, with the mentality ekhona right now, i-dressing room mele ngabe yazi ukuthi 3 points only. Okunye nokunye sekuyokhulunywa ngale kwendlela. 3 points only. Next game 3 points. Next game 3 points. Next game 3 points.